guys some fidgets to use. Oh my god. Here's some of my fidgets. And my most fidgets is I'm going to a soccer game. Watching Scarlet. So I'm having my Neater, my yellow poppet, my wacky track, my infinity cube, and my snapper. So guys, let's all put them in the bag. So guys, so I put them in my little bag. Now I'm gonna go to my soccer game. Bye guys! Hey guys, I'm here again and welcome back. So here on my soccer and in my last TikTok, I showed you guys some fidgets on the go. And so here are all my fidgets on the go. Let's get them out. The first fidget I pulled out was my puppet. Now this puppet is really cool because it's really loud on both sides. This is the quiet side. It sounds really crackly. It's really good. And then this is supposed to be the loud side. Yeah, it's really fun to play with. Now I'm gonna get out my something. Oh, it's just I think it's more of a neater because it's really squishy and it's not really stressful relieving. But anyway, it's really good. So my next video is gonna be Miracle Trick. Now Miracle Trick is really fun to play with. It's really fun. Like, it's probably better with two, but I use it with one hand when I'm videoing because obviously I can't video with no hands. I just have my snapper and it's really good. I don't know if anyone does this, but what? I used to do this and it's really good. And last but not least is my infinity cube. Now these are only tiny little my fidgets, so see you guys after. Bye guys! Guys, I'm back and I'm in here at soccer. Scar's over there in the uniform. Don't know if you can see her. Anyway, today I'm going to be showing you guys and rating my fidget toys. Not really rating, just showing you guys what I bring onto my on-the-go fidgets. And some things, disclaimer, some things are loud, so make sure if you ever go on a road trip or something that it doesn't annoy your parents. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some fidgets to use on the go. Here's some of my fidgets, and my most fidgets is I'm going to a soccer game. Watching Scarlet. So I'm having my Neater, my yellow poppet, my wacky track, my infinity cube, and my snapper. So guys, let's all put them in the bag. Guys, I'm back and I'm in here at soccer. Scar's over there in the uniform. Don't know if you can see her. Anyway, today I'm going to be showing you guys and rating my fidget toys. Not really rating, just showing you guys what I bring onto my on-the-go fidgets. And some things, disclaimer, some things are loud, so make sure if you ever go on a road trip or something that it doesn't annoy your parents. The first fidget I pulled out was my puppet. Now this puppet is really cool because it's really loud on both sides. This is the quiet side. It sounds really crackly. It's really good. And then this is supposed to be the loud side. Yeah, it's really fun to play with. Now I'm gonna get out my something. Oh, it's just I think it's more of a neater because it's really squishy and it's not really stressful relieving. But anyway, it's really good. So my next video is gonna be Miracle Trick. Now Miracle Trick is really fun to play with. It's really but like it's probably better with two, but I use it with one hand when I'm videoing because obviously I can't video with no hands. I just have my snapper and it's really good. I don't know if anyone does this, but what I used to do this yesterday. It's really good. And last but not least is my infinity kit. Now these are only tiny little my fidgets, so see you guys after. Bye guys!